Hey friends, my name is Scott, this is Tech Talk, and today we are going to be doing a simple tutorial which is resetting the LG Smart Watch. This is an LG W150. If you want to figure out how to do that, stick around. It's really easy. So today I'm going to be showing two ways to reset this LG smartwatch. Now the first way is actually just a soft reset, and that's going to just restart the watch. So this is if it's not in a stuck configuration and you simply want to give it a real quick reboot. What you're going to do is hold down this the side button here, press it into the watch, hold it for about 2 seconds, and you'll see the settings pop up. We're going to scroll down all the way to the bottom where you see restart. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And are you sure? I'm going to click the green check button, and you can see that it's powering off. That will reboot here in just a minute. That's again the really quick method. Let me show you one more way to power this thing off if you're in a stuck or a lock screen type situation. Okay, if that soft reboot didn't work for you, this is the best way, which is basically doing a hard reset. Now the hard reset can be done by taking that, again, your button over here on the right, pressing it down, and you're gonna hold for about 10 seconds. Ignore this screen as it comes up and continue to hold down on that button. You'll feel it vibrate, and that means that a hard reboot is happening. As soon as you hear that vibration and you see it reset, you can let go and the watch will automatically reboot on its own. Okay, there we go, friends. That's two ways you can reset your LG watch. Hopefully that has helped. If it did, hit that subscribe button. We got a lot more tips, tricks, tutorial videos coming soon.